is important to keep our house safe and secure. The last thing we want is the house being burned down due to our carelessness or ignorance. Hence I would spend money and effort to install sensors at home so that it can be safer. I have found this wonderful sensor, the First Alert BRK SC9120B Hardwire combination smoke carbon monoxide alarm. This sensor is a superior combination carbon monoxide sensor and ionization smoke alarm. It supports interconnectable with BRK and First Alert hardwired smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. It is easy to install, simple to use and has separate smoke and carbon monoxide latching alarm indicators. Isn't this a great sensor? Check out First Alert BRK SC9120B Hardwire combination smoke carbon monoxide alarm by clicking on this button today.